Install the EasyMerge app from any app store, Play Market, App Store, or App Gallery. Launch the app. At the beginning, you need to select a language and then confirm the collection of your data. Wait for the data to download and enter your login details to sign into the app. When data synchronization is finished, tap Start Work. To find the necessary store, you can sort the list of stores by distance or browse the map. You can also use the text search. Tap Check-in to start the visit. Fill in all the necessary information and send the check-in report. The list and content of reports are customized individually, so the appearance of this screen may vary. Select the product placement location: warm shelf, cold shelf, secondary placement, and so on. This will take you to the camera. When taking a photo of a shelf, move the camera from left to right. Change the direction if necessary. Mind the overlay. Each photo should have the same products from the previous one. The edge of the previous photo will help you make the right overlay. Always keep the device straight and parallel to the rack. The tilt sensor will help you monitor the angle of the device. It will light up red in case of an error. Complete the filming process of your product. The data will be processed within a few seconds, and the system will display the calculated KPIs. For example, shelf availability, shelf space, and so on. Now, all the reports are filled in. The system displays all the KPIs, as well as any unfulfilled merchandising rules that require your attention. You can correct the placements of products on the shelf and take photos again to recalculate the KPIs. To complete your work, tap Submit and select the reason for the unavailability of out-of-stock items. Fill in the remaining reports and complete the visit by sending the checkout report. Evaluate the execution of the visit by using the analytical charts. The time of the visit will be calculated based on the check-in and check-out reports.